Hey there, Patrick here, and I'd like to welcome you on behalf of my partner Sandra Kiss to our brand new training called Local Business Mastery. Thanks for being our student. I really appreciate your presence. So let me ask you this. Do you have a local business? Probably you do, otherwise you would not take this class, right? If so, then Facebook should be an essential part of your local marketing strategy. In fact, there's no better and no cheaper way to acquire new customers and to make more sales almost instantly. And I want to warn you, forget about print ads. Seriously, that's something we'll not cover in this training. I know that many local business owners use them. Sometimes they even work, but in most cases, paying money for newspaper advertisement equals to flushing money down the toilet. Why? Because we live in the 21st century and there is something called Facebook or Facebook marketing that's just hundreds of times more powerful. You know, I talked to hundreds of local business owners over the years, and I can tell you that I can only see happy faces if a local business deploys Facebook marketing strategies. If newspaper ads or radio jingles would be the better way for growing your business, then I would probably do a course about that, but unfortunately it isn't. Anyways, here's the thing. I worked with many great local businesses one-on-one, and I really loved it. There were really some great people that I met, and I really enjoyed scaling their businesses together with them. It really made me happy to see how Facebook marketing changed the economics of these businesses almost instantly, but unfortunately, many small businesses couldn't afford our services. So eventually, I decided to create this step-by-step training so I could hopefully see more happy faces out there. And in fact, this training includes everything you need to know in order to grow your local business fast and easy with Facebook marketing, even if you're busy, without having to pay tons of money for expensive social media marketing agencies. So this training is designed to increase your revenue and to acquire new customers, also to re-engage with your existing customers. I know that is something that you want. So let's take massive action, and I'll see you in the next video.